how to make a short video from photos. Now you can make a photo into a video by using as a slideshow or using some video editing apps such as CapCut. Now there are other video editing apps like InShot or other things, but in this case I'm using CapCut because it has a specific feature that I like. If I open up CapCut, I can see a couple of ads because I'm on the free version, but I can always go to templates. So on the templates I can simply look for some of the templates that I want, right? So if I like a certain template, using a photo I can create these type of videos. So all I have to do is tap on the use template button, then simply select a photo or videos that I want to add to this template right there. Once I've done that, I can just tap the next option and you can see it will automatically create a video for me on a short video using the pictures. So this way I'll be able to make a short video from photos. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.